guys, welcome to my channel. Here we're gonna show you a series of application projects on embroidery. We can make together step by steps. Also, if you want to know more details or interested about this series, please follow us or directly click following link to connect with us directly. Welcome, and here let's go step by step for today's topic. Today's topic is to show you step by step about how to do 3D embroidery on cap. Actually, 3D is not so special in the market. It's just a three-dimensional version in packed form. So it's very popular now in the market. Its design is distinguished from other graphic designs on the market. The production cost is low, but the profit is higher. Actually, the materials you use for 3D is very normal in the market. You can buy it anywhere. We do this because we want to help someone who not familiar with 3D to learn more fast and get more details. First, we need to prepare some accessories or fabric or tools for our 3D embroidery. As you see here, we can prepare the cap. That's a must for you. And we also need cap attachment. There is cap driver and cap hoops to hoop the cap. Also, we need some accessories like scissors, and the most character is this 3D foam. It's small, but we have large area that's determined to your size. Also, we need tools like this wrench. And this one is for stable the foam on the cap that is adhesive. Also, apart these accessories and fabric, we need the most thing is your design. Your design is for 3D, especially on cap. So it's not different from same as graphic flat design as others in the market. As we mentioned before, we need a unique and special design for our 3D cap embroidery. One part is flat embroidery, one part is for 3D foam. We need to use 3D foam, and you need to clearly know which color to start 3D. And if you design by yourself, you will know it. If you can't or you don't have software to do it, you can buy designs for 3D in the market from some professional digitizer. Okay, after you have design and you have this fabric, the cap attachment, this tools, backing paper you need. Okay, we need to right now go on operation. Okay, now we step by step doing operation on 3D cap embroidery. Today we're gonna use the pink one cap, and first we put the backing paper on this back of the cap. Like this. There's a layer here you can put inside, and after we open the hoop, as you see, there is two small bar here. We just clip our cap back inside. Also, you need to pay attention to the front of the cap to parallel the middle to this line. There's a line in the middle. Then you need to hoop tight to make sure there's no move during you hoop this. And after you tighten it, make it flat. As per back of it, you can use clip. There's two bar here. Then that's you hoop the cap. That is done. Next, we need to put this cap hoop on our cap driver. As you see, this hoop that should be parallel with this line. There's a line on the cap. Also, we need to use some clips to double stable the cap, so you can see when you scratch it, it won't be get any shrinkings. So that is for stable. We need to use some small tools to help it, and you can see the middle. The cap middle is parallel with this cap hoop middle. So that's some tips you can see. And from now on, we install the cap hoop on the cap driver. There is a clip. We can find it and match it. There are 3 buttons, both sides and 1 bottom. Push it inside. Okay. And after you hook it, you can pull it out to make sure there's no shaking and the cap is very stable, like this. It means we have already installed very correctly. Okay. After we install the cap hook on the cap driver, now we need to go on work on the computer, our electric system. As we mentioned before, we need a unique, special 3D design. It's very easy. Already we have got it. Okay, let's start and choose pattern. This one is for 3D embroidery. Okay, press OK. And then, before we install the cap on the cap driver, we already have choose the cap frame. That's the best choice to choose the frame first. We can check the embroidery area. The number 1 needle, we are checking the embroidery area. Okay, here we choose the automatic color, and before we choose color, we need to set an offset point. That is one for 3D parts. Okay, after we choose set offset and we choose colors. As you see, there are 3 total colors. We choose 3 colors, and for this pattern, number 2 needle, number 2 color is for 3D. So before that, the first one, after we choose 1 color, we need to press F here. 1 F. Because number 2 is 3D part, and before that, the first one, you should choose an F. It will stop automatically, and then you can put your 3D foam on number 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 colors we have done. Okay, and then we can check the embroidery area again to check if it's in the middle or somewhere you need. Okay, let's start. And as you see, the first color has automatic stop because we have set offset before. And now we use 3D foam to put on the cap, and we use this one, adhesive. That is to help you release your hands because you don't need your hands to hold it. You can spray it on it and cover it on the cap like this, and spray about a long meter distance. Okay, after you spray it, you can like this, shake it like this, make it driver. Make the driver, and then you can directly put it on the cap like this. You can press it a little, to make it glue on the cap like this. Okay, you can see it's stable on the cap. And now we just need to start rolling. As you see, the 3 part is finished, and now we're gonna remove the 3D foam to see final one. It's very easy, just like this. Careful. You can use a scissor to remove the middle part, but very carefully. As you see, the 3D foam has been removed. Normally, we suggest you can use similar color of a 3D foam to match your thread. not so outstanding each other. As you see, the 3D form will come out later. You can use lighter to remove it directly, or you can use a tagging gun, but no matter which way, we suggest you be very careful. Do not to damage the whole design. Okay, now we take off the clips. So put them aside in your scene. This is 3D. We use about 1 to 2, I think 3 thickness millimeters. You can use a thicker one or any thickness of form you choose. This is our work. Okay, that's all for today's topic, how to do 3D embroidery on cap. And if you are interested in this video or other serious videos, please follow us or directly click the link below the video. We can come back to you directly, and as per your comments, we will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you, see you!